Hello everyone. In this video, I will do my 8th session of at-home microneedling. But first, let me show you my skin. So this is how my skin looks right now. This is after a week of my last session or after my 7th session of at-home microneedling. So for me, my skin is doing good and I can see the progress. Alright, so this is the Banisher 2.0. So this is the micro needling tool that I'll be using in this video. And by the way, it has 0.5 millimeter depth. And of course, we need to disinfect the tool before using it. To start the procedure, I used the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask to apply on my face to exfoliate my skin first. And also, if you have the same problems with mine, like I have blackheads, whiteheads, and also closed comedones or comedonies, this product can help you get rid of those and also get rid of your pimples. So for better results, you need to use this product at least 2 to 3 times a week. Alright, so here I am done spreading it all over my face and I will just set it for 15 minutes before rinsing it off or washing it with water. Alright, so this is my skin looks after washing it off or rinsing it with water. So as you can see, this product will also give you a instant glow and will also deep clean your pores and exfoliate your skin. Alright, so here I'll be using the Bio 10 micellar water to make sure that my skin is clean and no remaining products left on my skin. Alright, so here let's go ahead and then start with my at-home micro needling. So to use this tool, you just need to press it 5 times or 3 to 5 times on the area that you want to treat. So the proper way to use it is to press it on your skin and then lift it up and then rotate it 90 degrees and then press it again. So you just need to repeat that again 3 to 5 times on the area that you need to treat or you want to treat. And please do not use it on your active pimples, but you can use it on your pimple marks or dark spots or hyperpigmentation for it to fade faster. And you may use this tool or repeat the procedure every week or every 2 to 4 weeks. And also this tool is reusable up to 8 times. So after that, you have to dispose it to avoid contamination or any further problems. Alright, so this is my skin looks after the procedure. So my face is very red and that's normal, don't worry. And also guys, just to give you a heads up, so next week I'll be sharing my before and after pictures. Alright, here are the skincare products that you can apply after the procedure, which are Banish Serum and Banish Vitamin C Cream. But in this video, I only use Banish Vitamin C Cream because I am using them alternately. Actually, I also mentioned this in my previous video. So I used Banish Serum yesterday, so that's why I am using Vitamin C Cream today. Alright, so that's it everyone. So this is my skin look. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thank you. Mwah.